Fruits are fresh and colors bright. Tony smiles with pure delight. Kitchen fun the way, healthy juice we make today. Everything feels right, everything feels right. Apples, oranges, bananas too. Tony picks a healthy few. Looking close with happy eyes, fruits are nature's best prize. Good for me and you. Slice the fruit so nice and neat, making pieces small and sweet. Tony works with care and joy, healthy habits for a boy. Preparation is a treat. Into blender fruits now go. Watch the colors start to glow. Tony smiles and leans, and juice is almost ready here. Fun begins to grow. Press the button, watch it spin. Magic blending will begin. Colors mixing all around, smoothest juice is what we found. Let the fun begin. Pour it gently in the glass. Watch the golden colors pass. Tony smiles so proud and bright. Juice is looking just right. Moments that will last. Add a straw and fruit on top. Make it pretty, never stop. Tony laughs and decorates. Healthy drink he celebrates. Fancy juice we drop. Sip by sip, it tastes so sweet. Healthy drink is such a treat. Tony smiles and closes eyes. Joy and flavor both arise. Nothing can compete. Strong and happy, full of cheer. Healthy juice gives power. Tony shows his strength with pride. Energy he feels inside. Best drink of the year. Sharing drinks with friends is fun. Kindness shines like the sun. Tony gives with happy heart. Friendship is the bar, everyone. Tony enters kitchen bright. Chef hat sitting nice and tight. Ready now to cook a treat. Pizza time will be so sweet. Cooking fun feels just right. Rolling dough upon the board. Tony works just like a lord. Round and soft the pizza base. Flour floating every place. Cooking fun he can't ignore. Tomato sauce, red and sweet, spread across the pizza sheet. Tony smiles with happy face, making pizza with great grace. Cooking makes a tasty treat. Cheese goes falling soft and white, covering the pizza right. Tony sprinkles more and more, melting soon with golden light. Topping colorful and bright, peppers, olives placed just right. Tony builds a pizza tower, cooking is his superpower. Flavor shining in the light. Pizza going in the heat, oven makes it bake complete. Tony waits with hopeful grin. Soon the yummy food begins. Cooking smell is such a treat. Pizza baking warm and slow. Tony watches oven glow. Gold and cheese begins to melt. Yummy smell is clearly felt. Cooking magic starts to grow. Pizza out and looking great. Tony cannot hardly wait. Steam is rising in the air. Smell of pizza everywhere. Dinner time is simply great. Slices cut for big and small. Tony shares them one and all. Pizza party here today. Everyone will shout hooray. Yummy taste for friends and all. Tony eats a pizza bite. Flavor makes his eyes shine bright. Cooking made the day so fun. Pizza time for everyone. Yummy joy from morning light. Chef Tony wears his hat so tall, ready to cook for one and all. Pots and pans begin to shine. Cooking time is simply fine. Yummy fun inside the hall. Tony mixes batter around. Flour and milk spin all around. Stir it slowly, stir it fast. Cooking fun that always lasts. Sweet cakes will soon be found. Tony spreads the sauce so red. Cheese and veggies nicely spread. Pizza baking in the heat. Soon it will be fun to eat. Yummy smells begin to spread. Pancakes flipping in the pan. Tony cheers, eyes I can. Golden circles, soft and sweet. Stack them high for all to eat. Breakfast fun for every fan. Cookies baking, warm and sweet. Chocolate chips are such a treat. Tony waits beside the oven, watching treats he really loves. Soon it's time to grab and eat. Apples, bananas, oranges too. Tony cuts them just for you. Mix them in a bowl so bright. Healthy snacks are such delight. Fruit salad fresh and new. Fruit salad fresh and new. Cupcakes waiting on the tray. Tony decorates them today. Pink frosting and sprinkles bright. Colorful and fun to bite. Sweet delight. Soup is cooking in the pot. Tony stirs it nice and hot. Veggies dancing in the steam. Cooking feels just like a dream. Yummy soup we like a lot. Tony brings the plates with cheer. Friends and family gather near. Pizza, cookies, treats to share. Happy smiles everywhere. Dinner time is finally here. Tony cooks so many treats. Tasty snacks and yummy eats. Friends all clap and laugh for boy. Cooking fun can't be beat.